Good morning, children. This is your class 8 physics, chapter number 9, force and pressure. This topic is liquid pressure. So, children, as you can see in the slide, the wooden block, it applies force on the wooden plank, right? As it is applying force on an area A, pressure is created. So we know this solid substance, it is exerting some pressure on the wooden plank at the bottom, right? So what about liquids? Do they also exert pressure? So yes, they do exert pressure. Now liquids, they do not have definite shape as solids. They are filled in a container. They are filled in some vessel. So let's talk about the liquid pressure. Now children, the liquids, they apply pressure, they exert pressure at the base of the container, that is in the downward direction. That is the liquid inside it. If suppose it is water, so the water inside the bottle, it is going to exert a pressure in the downward direction, that is at the base of the bottle. Plus it will also exert a pressure on the walls of the bottle, and that is in the outward direction. So liquid exerts pressure in the base, that is in the downward direction, and on the walls in the outward direction. So let's try to understand this. So children, this bottle, let us divide into 5 layers of water. So if you see children, the second layer of the water, it is holding the weight of first layer. First layer का पूरा जो weight है वो second layer के ऊपर है, right? Similarly, the third layer of water, it holds the weight of both first and second layer, right? Similarly, the fourth layer of the water, it holds the weight of first, second, and third layer, right? So weight has become more. Oh God. Now the fifth layer of water, it holds the weight of first, second, third, and fourth layer. So the weight is increasing as we are going to the depth, as we are going down, as the depth is increasing, the weight above that so is also increasing. So as the weight above a point is increasing, the liquid pressure is increasing. So liquid pressure, it increases with the increase in the depth. As you go deeper and deeper, the liquid pressure on you will go on increasing, right? So liquid pressure, it depends upon the height of liquid, height of water above you, right? For example, this is a ocean, right? And you are swimming in this. You are you are going deeper and deeper. So children, when you are at this point, the water level above you is very less. So pressure will be less. Now you are going deeper. You have reached here. So what the height of water above you has increased, so pressure will increase. Now you're going more deep. So as you have gone more deeper, the height of liquid above you, the height of liquid column above you has increased, and the pressure on you will be greater now. So as you go deeper and deeper, the liquid pressure on you increases due to the increase in the height of the liquid column. Okay, beta. So this is an activity which tells us that the pressure is more as you increase the height of the liquid column. So what you have to take in this, you have to take glass tubes, and the glass tubes are open at both the ends. Upper end is also open, lower end is also open. Now at the lower end, you are going to put balloon, right? You are going to put a balloon, and from the upper open end, you are going to add water. So as you go on adding water, you will see that the water, it bulges. That is, the water, it becomes bigger, it bulges outwards. So when you had filled the tube with half water, the size of the balloon was this. But when you increase the height of liquid, then the balloon started bulging more. So the bulge increased with the increase in height of the water column. So what does this show? That with the increase in the height of the water column, जितना ज़्यादा पानी होगा उसके ऊपर, the pressure increases. So this activity shows you that the liquid pressure, it depends upon the height of the liquid column. Okay, chalo. Let's go to the next activity. This activity shows that the liquid pressure is same, that is in all the direction at a particular depth. For example, you take a bottle, beta, है ना? And from the bottom at 2 centimeters, suppose this is your bottle, and above this 2 centimeters, you are making the hole at the right, at the left, in front, and at the back of the bottle. At same height, that is 2 centimeters. You are making 4 holes in different directions. Then you are filling the bottle, and what will happen? The water will start coming out from all the 4 holes you have made. So you will see that the water, it is falling down with same force, and it is falling at the same distance. Suppose the distance of the water, the distance at which the water is falling is suppose 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeters far it falls on the right side. Similarly, 3 centimeter far it is falling on the left side, and 3 centimeter far it is falling towards the front, and 3 centimeter far it is falling at the back. So it is falling with the same force at the same distance. So what does this prove? This proves that the liquid pressure is same at a particular depth of 2 centimeters in all direction, right? One more property we will discuss, that is the liquid pressure, it varies with the depth. Now you have taken a bottle and you have made a hole at 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, right? Then you will fill it with water, and then you will allow the water to come out. What will you see? The water which is coming out from the hole which is at the bottom, right? The lowest hole, which is at a distance of 6 centimeters. The water coming out is with the great force. That water is falling at a greater distance. And then the second hole, which was at 4 centimeters, the water is falling at less pressure. And from the topmost hole, the water is even falling at the least pressure, and it is falling near. So the pressure is increasing with the increase in the depth. As you go deeper and deeper, the liquid pressure goes on increasing. Right, beta? So this reminds me of a movie, that is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So it is like Hrithik Roshan. He was afraid of deep sea diving, right? So Hrithik Roshan is here. So the pressure is less. Hrithik Roshan is going deeper. Oh, the pressure increased, and he is going more deeper. The pressure is more high. So liquid pressure increases with the increase in the depth. Right, beta? Okay. Next, you can see the deep sea divers, right? Why do they wear a special diving suit? Because, beta, the pressure exerted by the water in the ocean, it increases with the depth. जैसे जैसे वो नीचे जाएंगे, the pressure is increasing, increasing, and increasing. And at very deep inside, the pressure is so high that it can crush the human. So, in order to protect themselves from such a high pressure, they wear specially designed sea diver suit so that they can withstand the high pressure. They are not getting crushed by the high pressure.